weather is so freaking hot. So I made this plate, plastic bag from IKEA. Alright, as you can see from the video, there's a lot of plastic bags, but those plastic bags was from only two products, the bed frame and the shelves. Only two products, and there was almost like 500 or 600 grams of plastic bags. Too many. But if you're wise enough, you can make another furniture out of these plastic bags, just like me. 비닐을 생각에 전부 다 녹이면 될 것 같아요.
2 hours later.
Oh, by the way, most of the plastic bags from IKEA is LDPE, which is low density polyethylene, and LDPE is thermoplastic. You can't just use random plastic bags and melting it, because some plastics make really bad toxic when they are melting. So check the label first and then using it to make into other shape. And the thickness of this plate is approximately 15 to 12 millimeter. I'm gonna use the 12 millimeter plywood to making legs for this one. I'm gonna put my files into the operating computer for the shopbot, and let's cut it. And I'm gonna cut the hole in the center. It's not gonna be the right center of this plate. And then I'm gonna put it top up here. I'm gonna cut the hole for the legs. I'm going to use this residue to fill it up, the gap between legs and the plate. It's made out of the trash, so it looks like a trash. So yeah, let's go to home. So I'm back from my workshop. I don't know how to call this stuff. No, this is a bedside table, and let me show you how I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna use like this. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching.